everyone, and welcome back to the Cargo channel. Finally a sunny day. Finally we get to Yorktown Cars and Coffee because we haven't been here in a really long time. I flexed Slate's hood so everybody can see the red accents underneath the hood. Just a brief note, we're super late. It's the end of the event. It's already 10 o'clock as we arrive, but there is a lot of nice cars still in the parking lot. So let me show you first this Spiker. We got a Spiker here. Beautiful white Spiker, beautiful gorgeous red leather interior. I love the guys flexing. Look at the doors are up. Everything here is so freaking beautiful. Look at the machine shifter, the exposed shifter linkage. Spiker C8. Yours? Gorgeous car, gorgeous. It's not a car, it's a piece of art. I think we actually came in the perfect time. We just saw this beautiful Spiker roll out on a 280 CX right behind it, but we still have a very nice red Porsche Turbo. That's a 997 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 997 Turbo. Beautiful red color. Also manual. Really nice and clean car. Oh, the Chrysler Town and Country chose to roll down. Amazing. Corvette section over here. Always strong presence in Yorktown. Strangely, nobody is swarming to take a look at Slate's underhood, but that's still fine. I know that's the best car in the show. Look at the Alpina E34. And that's why I love Yorktown Cars and Coffee. You can see a Dodge Challenger Hellcat parked right next to a Viper, and there was a Spiker just a second ago down there right next to a Porsche Turbo, and sometimes there are Ferraris and Lamborghinis even coming up. I love it. Let's go and take a look at the rest of the event. Look at this little Monte Miata. Little, yeah, but with a big car. You can follow the guy at good old Santa, but look at the wing. The size of the wing is big. And look at what's inside the hood. It's a modified Honda engine of some sort. And because race car, there's nothing in. A little dial up there. Good old Santa, really nice. Look at this. Mustang Saline 281 Extreme. It's a cool looking car. I love the body kits on these. I know they're really powerful as well, but they look really nice. When they came out, they were really like futuristic. Let's take a look at the interior. Of course, stick shift. I like how it's set right there. Gears indicator which gear is, but really clean car as well. As we're just talking to each other, a McLaren 650S just rolled in. It's going in the back. Let's go and see if we can intercept him. Batman. these edition package M3s too. As I say, you can see everything here. There is a Datsun, beautiful car. I love the lines of the Datsun. Also, it's very, very loud. So if you guys are wearing headphones, there should maybe reason for you to remove them, you know. Also, look at this thing. Hello there. It's a 1965 fastback. What a gorgeous car. Look at the inside. Everything nice and neat. Fire extinguisher. I wonder why do you need that unless you go gone in 60 seconds. Oh, look at this beauty. This car is amazing. It's really well restored and it looks gorgeous from every angle. So always really nice to see the guys from 93 Octane. The Mazda RX-7 with the sleeping passenger. And the Supra.
I do know there's the LA.
You don't have to?
I do know.
Oh, one more. You remember when I said headphones out? That's what I meant. And now we're over here in a nice picturesque location after Cars and Coffee. Cars and Coffee is always great in Yorktown, but I wanted to take the car right here, right next to this little red bridge. It's a popular spot among the car guys around here to take pictures of their cars. So I'm gonna take a few pictures of Slate and then I'm gonna go get along with my day. I'm happy that you guys stopped by and looked at today's video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up, why not? Smash them if that's something you do. Gently tap them if you don't like smashing stuff. Works for me. Subscribe for a lot more videos to come. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.